Hello students, welcome to GK class for class 6. This is your book of general knowledge. Today we are going to start lesson number 10, famous works on page number 14. In this chapter we will read about some world famous authors who were famous for their excellent literary work. Students, here author means a creator of any written work such as a book or play. He also considered a writer. And literary is related with written work like drama, essay, poems, etc. So students, let's discuss about some famous authors and their famous books. So first author is Vikram Seth. He is an Indian novelist and a poet. He is born in Kolkata on 20 June 1952. He graduated from Corpus Christi College, Oxford and Stanford University in USA. He has received several awards such as Padma Shri Award, Sahitya Academy Award and W. H. Smith Literary Award. Now, his famous books are The Golden Gate, Next, Two Lives and A Suitable Boy. Now next famous author we have R.K. Narayan. His full name was Rasipuram Krishna Swami Narayan. He was born in Chennai on 10 October 1906. He was one of the finest Indian authors. He graduated from Maharaja College in Mysore. He has received several awards such as Padma Vibhushan Award, Sahitya Academy Award, Benson Medal and Filmfare Award for Best Story. He died on 13 May 2001 in Chennai and his famous books are Malgudi Days, The Guide and Mr. Sampath. Next famous author we have Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand was an Indian writer. He was notable for his depictions of the lives of the poorer castes in traditional Indian society. He was born in Pakistan on 12 December 1905. He received education from University of Cambridge, University College London and Khalsa College. He received several awards like Sahitya Academy Award, Padma Vibhushan Award. He died on 28 September 2004 in Pune. His famous books are Untouchable, The Village and Coolie. Next famous author is Charles Dickens. He was a British author. He was born on 7 February 1812 in England. He wrote 15 novels, short stories, essays, articles, etc. One of the great achievements of Charles Dickens is that he effected social reform with his exposure novel such as Oliver Twist. He attacked the working of poor law of Victorian age. He died on 9 June 1870 in England. His famous books are David Copperfield, Oliver Twist and A Tale of Two Cities. Students, next famous author we have V.S. Naipaul. His full name was Vidyasagar Suraj Prasad Naipaul. He was born on 17th August 1932 in South America. He received education from Queen's Royal College in South America. He won the Booker Prize, Nobel Prize in Literature. He died on 11th August 2018 in London. His famous books are A Bend in the River, An Area of Darkness and The Middle Passage. Now students, the last famous author is Rudyard Kipling. Rudyard Kipling was an English journalist, short story writer and a poet. He was born on 30th December 1865 in Mumbai. At the age of 6, Kipling was taken to England by his parents. He was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. He died on 18th January 1936 in London. His famous books are Kim, The Jungle Book, and last, The light that failed. So students, we have completed chapter number 10 of your GK book. I hope you have understood the topic. Now your homework is do this exercise. Thank you.